Welcome user in the new lesson. In the last video we have completed simple linear regression in the MATLAB. Both simple linear regression and multiple linear regression shows the same approach while solving linear regression problem. The only difference is in the count of input features. In simple linear regression we have only single input feature, while in case of multiple linear regression data has multiple input features. So let us discuss more about the multiple linear regression. Right here you can see the equation of simple linear regression, and in the equation we have only one variable. Multiple linear regression is just extension of the simple linear regression. The equation of multiple regression model is y is equal to b0 plus b1 multiplied by x1 plus b2 multiplied by x2, and so on, as many as input variable data has. In multiple linear regression we may have collinearity problem in the input features. To check collinearity problem between input features, we use scatter diagram or correlation matrix. The information about the scatter diagram and correlation matrix we have already seen in the lesson number 15. If input features have the collinearity problem and if their coefficient value is significant, then we consider both features for the analysis. But if both features are not significant, then we will ignore the features which shows minimum accuracy. We are going to implement more about the collinearity problem while implementing multiple linear regression in MATLAB. Let us consider one simple dataset for the analysis. Data shows total 6 features. Out of 6 features, 5 are the input features and the count of rental bike is the output label. So before going to start actual modeling, we will check relationship between input features. Suppose we found temperature and pressure, age and balance has collinearity problem. These input features are positively correlated, so I can conclude data has collinearity problem. So first I will make model and I am going to check the p-value of the correlated features. Suppose out of these 4 features, temperature and pressure has the p-value less than 0.05, so we can consider these two features for the analysis. Age and balance features has the p-value more than 0.05, so these features are not significant, so we can ignore one feature out of these two correlated features. The model which gave the maximum accuracy we will use to predict the new entries. Right here I have shown how we can compare accuracy. Model with age feature shows maximum accuracy, so we will consider this feature for the analysis and we will ignore balance feature from the analysis. This is how multiple linear regression is carried out. This will end our video. In the next video we are going to see multiple linear regression in MATLAB. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments and get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.